what should be the distance from the top to the toe of the pile. So we need to shift this across here. With this at the moment, I need to change this number, but I don't have the experience. If you can imagine, we can pull this across here, so this line becomes here, and this line would be here, and this is where the toe reflection occurs. So what we're looking for is any large reflection here, which shows damage. This here would be the pile joint, this little bump here. So we can immediately determine if there's any damage in the pile. So we don't need to get the PDA out here to check for damage. The PDM can, just from this measurement, determine whether.
Do you have an example
with damage?
With damage?
It was in the lecture notes.
Oh, okay.
I need to send you the PDF. It was on the presentation yesterday.
Yeah, we got a PDF,
but not for the afternoon session.
Oh, we actually get them already.
You can download it. You can from the link.
We got the paper already. They actually printed it out for us.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, they did.
Third and fourth?
Yeah, they did already.
So, yeah, it shows the joint is very tight, only a small reflection. If there was damage at the joint, we'd see a bigger reflection. Is there another group?
Yeah, me.